Hi guys, it's Robin here with WTI with this Mefa gel polish set. And so this is a solid gel polish set. So you have a really huge amount of colors. They have 48 in this one, and you also get the little brush and the brush cleaning solution as well in there. So they do have other sizes available too in different variety of colors, but I love this because it gives me the most broad variety of colors to use. So I love it. It's super simple. Let me show you just how easy it is.
This kit from Mefa gives you such a variety of colors, and the ease in which you can do your nails to a gel quality salon at home is amazing. I love this because it is the solid gel. It does not drip into your cuticles and you have a really nice coverage. The brush is really delicate, and I love the fact that you have so many colors to choose from. This is just one of them, and I topped off my ring finger with some sparkle gel on there as well. This kit is very easy to use for beginners, and every time I use it, I feel like I get better and better at it. The brush is a little different to your regular nail polish brush, but I do appreciate that as it gives you better control while you are painting your nails. You can see here they do have the glitter, and it is only the smallest amount you need to do a whole nail. At least for me, because I don't have any extensions, it is just a basic nail. I have used it here, and it is a really solid color, and I love the pigmentation.
So guys, I love this set. It's super compact. You have such a variety of colors and it takes up minimal space, which is amazing. You don't have thousands of bottles of nail polish hanging around. And like I said, super easy to use as well. So that's why I love it. I'm sure you will too, but that's just my point of view.